Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a brand new Excel data analyzer, Vizboard. I'm John, and today I'm going to show you how it works step by step. So if you work with Excel files, you probably know the problem. You have a spreadsheet full of data, you have to understand what it means, you need to spend time cleaning it, reading rows, creating charts, and trying to find insights manually. That's exactly why we built Vizboard. It is an AI-powered platform that helps you turn your Excel data into clear charts, summaries, and insights in just a few seconds. First, we go to the Vizboard AI platform. You can even get instant insights from the homepage by uploading your file. All you have to do is press on the Get Instant Insights button. You can sign up by pressing on Start for free and then log into the system. As you can see, the interface is simple. You don't need any technical knowledge and you don't need to know how to create formulas or dashboards manually. The only thing you need to do is upload your Excel file. Once you upload your Excel file, Vizboard starts analyzing the data automatically. It reads the structure of this spreadsheet, understands the columns, detects the important values, and prepares useful visual results. Now in this section, you have to choose the data type of each column. If it fits according to your preferences, select Continue and Confirm. Instead of spending time trying to figure out what the data says, Vizboard gives you a much faster way to understand the key points. In this section, select the charts that you would like to display in your analysis. Once you choose the charts that you would like to display, hit Generate Analysis. Once you hit it, you will see that your status will be in progress. Once your analysis is ready, it will state Success under the Status section. Now you can select your analysis and then see the charts generated from the Excel file. These charts help you quickly understand trends, comparisons, distributions, and important patterns inside the data. The main idea is simple. Upload your Excel file and Vizboard helps you understand the story behind your data. You can get a split view or a grid view and then save your changes according to your preferences. You don't have to spend time selecting data ranges, creating charts one by one, or trying to explain the results yourself. Vizboard does the heavy work for you and gives you a cleaner, faster, and more visual way to analyze your Excel files. This can be useful for business owners, students, analysts, sales teams, marketing teams, or anyone who works with Excel and wants to save some time. You can also ask questions and create new charts from the chat section. For example, let's say that we would like to learn the total revenue and the total number of transactions in the dataset. So all you have to do is write into the chat section and send it. Once you send, the answer will be displayed immediately. Or let's say you would like to learn the average transaction value. All you have to do is ask, and then the chat section will answer it instantly. Or let's say you would like to learn the group transactions by payment type. You can also generate a new chart from the chat section. All you have to do is type the chart properties and then hit send again. Once you define the chart that you would like to know, it is going to be displayed under all the charts in this section. You can also collapse the labels from here or use filters in this section to get specific results. Our goal with Vizboard is to make data analysis easier for everyone.
For example, if your Excel file contains sales data, Vizboard can help you understand which products performed better, which months had higher revenue, or where the biggest changes happened. If your file contains customer data, you can quickly see customer segments, activity, or important differences between groups. You don't need to be a data expert, you don't need advanced Excel skills, you just need your file, and that's all. And lastly, you can download your outcome as PDF or as Excel from here. So thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you understand how Vizboard works. See you in the next video.